Hi guys, this is Rinell Banda. You're watching Buhay sa Cruise, and we're here with the inventor itself, Mr. Schiller. Yes sir, and we're here in San Francisco and he's showing us his new invention. What inspires you of making this creation?
Well, we live on a planet that's more than 2/3 water.
Yes,
and
I know.
everybody loves to ride a bike.
Yeah.
So why not marry the two together, a love of cycling and bicycles, and make it available to bike out on the open water here in San Francisco, around the world.
But do you offer this as well in some other parts of the country?
So now we have bikes in over 60 countries around the world.
Oh wow!
Emirates, Switzerland, Germany, Bora Bora, Mexico,
Wow.
Costa Rica, Japan, Thailand, everywhere.
Everywhere.
People are starting to hear about Schiller Bikes and
Yes,
seeing how much
yes.
fun it is to bike on the water.
Yeah, well, we're waiting for that in the Philippines. I hope.
Yes.
Send one in the Philippines. And,
Boracay all over the Philippines. Yeah, of course.
Yes. Well, thank you for your time, Mr. Schiller. And I used your bike and I went under the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge and it was so fun.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I lost a lot of calories with this. Thank you so much. All right.
Thanks so much.
Bye-bye.
For over a century, inventors have been pursuing ways to create the joy and freedom of biking out on the open water. None have succeeded in igniting the imagination of people around the world, until now. The Schiller S1 is a premium bike and an ultra-portable boat that you can enjoy riding on
At saka
any
dito,
body of
dito ka
water
lang hindi
wherever you
magsusuot ng
live
bike
or
helmet.
want to.
Dahil hindi mo kailangan ng bike helmet dito. Kailangan mo dito ay life jacket. At ito yun. Ayan. San Francisco Breeze! The first man in the history riding a bike under San Francisco Breeze! Breaking the record, Guinness Book of Records na guys! Guinness Book of Records! Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!